According to a report issued on Monday by the Laos-China Railway Co. Limited, the China-Laos Railway's Laos section achieved a new record of 10,197 passengers last Saturday. According to the report, the number of passengers traveling on the China-Laos Railway is continuing to grow. From January to February 2023, the railway carried a total of 417,400 passengers, an increase of 256.2% compared to the same period in 2022. To ensure the smooth operation of rail services, the LCRC is monitoring passenger volume and planning train journeys accordingly, improving travel arrangements and allowing tickets to be purchased further in advance of travel. In addition, the LCRC has announced that a ticket reservation mobile application will be launched on March 15th, making it much more convenient for passengers to book train tickets.